Versus Joseph Ramirez. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Please ask the court to follow the plea agreement, Judge.
All right. Mr. Ramirez, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
A carpenter, ma'am.
I'm sorry, what?
A carpenter and the superintendent
Superintendent for what?
for a construction company, ma'am.
Who is April Gonzalez to you?
That's my wife.
It appears that you all are committing crimes together. So do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
Total of three, two that live with us,
What are their ages?
17 and 15.
Why are you stealing?
I don't know. Got lost in our ways, I guess.
I'm sorry, what?
Just got lost in our ways. Just I have no really reason for it.
Just one moment. So are there any drug issues?
No, ma'am.
So why are you stealing though?
I don't know, ma'am. I'm confused.
I'm sorry, what?
I don't know what's happening.
This is one of those moments where silence says more than words. The judge keeps asking simple questions. Why are you stealing? What's going on? And all she gets back is, I don't know. That answer sounds harmless. But in a courtroom, it's dangerous. Because I don't know really means I haven't taken responsibility yet. And the judge can feel that immediately.
I mean, it appears that you're going in people's mailboxes. You're doing this, you're doing that. When's the last time you spoke with April Gonzalez?
Last time she was about a month ago, I guess. She was incarcerated as well. So
You both are setting a horrible example for your children. I mean, you're telling me you're a carpenter, but it appears that's not your occupation. Your occupation is taking things that don't belong to you. So I'm telling you right now, you're going to get a real job. And when I say a real job, I know that carpentry is a real job, but it appears that you're not really working on a basis that supports you. So you're getting a job, and you're going to get a job where someone actually pays you with a paycheck. Do you understand?
When the judge says, your occupation is taking things that don't belong to you, that's not an insult. That's a mirror. Courts don't just sentence crimes. They confront patterns. This wasn't about carpentry. It was about a lifestyle that didn't match the story he was telling about himself.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Punishment is going to be assessed at 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's $1,000 fine. That will be probated. All right, we can go off the record. You had better start searching internally why you do the things you do, because you're going to find yourself maybe in prison for a long time. And then your children will not be influenced by you, possibly, because you'll be at the prison. You understand?
This right here was grace. 6 years suspended. Probation instead of prison. That's the system saying, prove us wrong. Moments like this separate people who change from people who repeat the cycle. And sadly, we already know which direction this case goes.
On or about the 19th day of December 2023 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Joseph Ramirez committed the offense of tampering with government record, violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
We waive the remaining violated condition.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 6 years in the prison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes.
Court will.
Listen carefully here. He pleads true, knowing prison is on the table. This isn't confusion. This is someone who understands the consequences and still ends up here. That matters legally and it matters morally.
Years. Here's the thing. You were placed on probation. You were given an opportunity. You were given an opportunity to live in the free world, but instead you took your opportunity and you committed new offenses. So that's a prison sentence. Do you understand? So the fact that you are here in this position, that's 100% on you. That's not on your attorneys.
I understand.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So
I'm just trying
these
to
are
my family.
consequences. Well, here's the thing. With your family, you're crying for your family because you're not going to be there. You could have been there.
I
You
understand.
chose to do this.
I understand that.
4:40 to 5:15. This is the hardest part to watch. He's crying, and the judge doesn't shame him for crying. She explains why those tears don't erase choices. That line hits hard. You were given a free world. Not everyone gets that chance.
All right, court is finding violation condition number 1 true. The court will grant the motion, follow your agreement, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served.
3 years in prison, not because the system was cruel, but because probation was violated. This is accountability. Plain and simple.
Here's the thing. If you want to do better in your life, then do better in your life. Don't continue to commit crimes and then, cry for tears for your family, because you know what? You had a chance to be with your family
I
and
understand
you
that.
chose not to.
Understand.
Maybe you don't want to be with them. I don't know. Maybe this is a way to avoid them. Sometimes I have friends who will work 24 hours a day. And when I say 24 hours a day, I really mean like 18 hours. And we're like, why are you still at the office? It's 2 a.m. And you know what we discovered? He doesn't want to go home because he has a lot of children. And he'd rather say, I'm at the office. So maybe you want to go to prison and not be around your family. You need to make your decision and make your mind up. If you want to be with your family, you're going to have to do better.
That final speech is brutal honesty. Sometimes people run from responsibility, not just crimes, but family, pressure, adulthood itself. Prison becomes an escape. The judge leaves them with a truth no sentence can fix. If you want to do better, you actually have to do better.